All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt, and I'm going to show you GUMROAD.com as a free tool for your e-com or online business. So if you're ready, let's go. Guys, welcome back. I have GUMROAD in. I talked about this in my massive toolbox. This is one of the few platforms that I go over that I use on a daily basis. So initially, GUMROAD is a free website that you guys could use to go in and start selling products. So this is the main page, and you go to GUMROAD.com. Their whole motto is creators deserve to get paid for their work. GUMROAD makes it easy. So when I was talking in my masterclass about building your online store, about building products and getting things ready, GUMROAD was one of the three tools I talked about. Today I'm going to dive in. So very simple, create your profile. All you have to do is basically sign up for a new store. So this is what my store looks like right now. As you can see, I have a free ebook guide that people could download. I have stickers that are left for sale. It deals with inventory, as you could see. You could set prices and the whole nine. So this is what my store looks like. So if I sent you to gumroad.com/millionshark, this is exactly what you would see as a consumer, which you could hit the preview button and you could see basically it'll just have your logo. You could do email collection, which is fantastic. And then you could have as many products as you want listed on your GUMROAD site. So let's dive in and let's actually go to products real quick. So you could see I have products and affiliated. So if you're an affiliate for anybody else who sells on GUMROAD, you could earn money based off what they want. Clearly, I haven't been pushing this Instagram Reels Mastery, but if you want to take a look and dive into how to get a lot of followers on Instagram in a very short period of time and how to create good reels, I'll drop that link down below. And you could also, while you're looking down below, smash that subscribe button to my channel. So now let's go back to the products. And you can see I have a few different things. So all you have to do is add new products. So when you smash new product, you have three options. Your classics, you could start selling it right now. You have the option to pre-order. So if I want to build the hype, so if I have a new ebook or a new series coming out that I haven't quite finished yet, I could start selling that course, collecting the money, collecting the email before I go there. And then you also have membership. So if you have a let's say you're an online personal trainer and you want people to pay, $49 a month for your meal plan service, you could sign them up on a membership and charge them each individual month. So I have a couple of things that I have done with these products myself. So I'll actually start creating, all you need to do is name the product right off the bat. So Real Strategy Test, and I'll set the price at $47. And then when you get next and you go to customize, and you have the option to say it's a physical good, so you can ship out of here. But I normally use this for any ebooks, for any type of actual service. So I have a separate platform collecting my money. You could add an awesome description. You could very much create pictures, add videos, do a thumbnail, choose your cover. So choose the area that goes over here. So I'm actually going to go to my product and we'll actually break down one of my products real quick. So I'll actually go to the Million Shark sticker. So I have my name, which is the Million Shark sticker. I wrote a brief description. My thumbnail is obviously going to be my logo. I took this picture on my iPhone really quick, airdropped it to my Mac, and added it up there. And then call to action is I want this. So when people click the I want this, that brings them to the purchase page. You could add a short summary, add additional details. If you have any content, so this is where ebooks or videos or anything you want your customer to download, you add it to the upload file. And what that's going to do is once they make that purchase, it's going to directly email them those files that they could download. They'll also have access when they log into their customer side of GUMROAD. They'll always have access to those as well. So you're not losing anything out, and you could actually set the price again if you wanted to re-edit the price. And then here you can see I have variants. So I have one sticker for $3 and I have 2 stickers for $5. So if somebody clicks that 2 stickers for $5, they're able to click I want this, and it'll actually charge them the $5 on there as well. So as a good little testing, so you can see that this is literally a test site right here, so you could actually go and see the whole process straight through. Another thing, on the checkout page, that's where you would add your shipping. So since the sticker is a physical product, I set different countries and regions. And if you want to, you could always add discount codes right from here as well. So you could always set a 5%, 10% discount to try to entice it. So if you're messaging somebody, DMing them or emailing that back and forth, and they're on the hook, and you think like, hey man, if I give you 5% off, but you don't want to drop 5% on the product altogether, you could add a discount code specifically for them to save the 5% to try to entice them to buy. One more thing is cool. You could integrate sharing through Twitter, Facebook, and you could even copy the URL. If you want to get the HTML code, it'll generate the HTML code for you to add to your more higher end sites. Or if you have a blog, you could add it there as well. The link, you could always add a custom backend to the link. So it's https://gum.co/million shark sticker could be that as well. So I'm going to go back to products real quick, and I'm actually going to show you one more thing. So I did a content creation bundle. I'll show you that since that's the monthly recurring payment. So this is actually if you were working in a need or a niche where you want to charge a monthly service fee. And you can see I played around with this one, made it look a little better. Added my cover. I created that custom cover in Canva and just dropped it in there. And you can see that I have 2 different tiers. The tier is going to be a 3 months. I have a month, 6 month, 3 month, and a year. So the user could select what they want. And then obviously this will charge them $14.97 each month that they're still with you. If they cancel, or if you decide to cancel it on them, just make sure you communicate that out. So that's one cool thing as well. I'll show you the payments real quick. So you actually get paid out. I think I got paid today. Next payout was today. So I should have gotten money in my bank account. I should have gotten $41.50 sent over. I think they do every other week or every 2 to 3 weeks on the payout or something like that. But you do get your money. They don't take that much. So they actually, looks like they took like a $5, so maybe $6 altogether. So it's not that bad. Payout settings, you could have it go to specific areas. For payments, you could select PayPal. So GUMROAD is only utilizing PayPal, which is good, but it's also bad. It also limits the amount of payments, which is why I talked about another one, which I'll go over in another video. But importantly, you'll have access to your customers, so you can get your customer list going because the emails are very important. And it also services as a blog type where people could actually go to your schedule. You could schedule different posts and things like that to get out to people. And then you could also see your analytics. Obviously, like my analytics suck. I'm not really pushing on GUMROAD that much. I kind of set it up and tested it out as a service to use for other clients as a way for them to make money. So that is basically GUMROAD in a nutshell. Very easy to use platform, straightforward to the point. I highly suggest if you have any type of product and you don't want to pay a monthly service fee, GUMROAD would be a great start for you to get your product online and selling right away, especially if you're a PayPal user. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Smash that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.